We're back in the kitchen here at Nothing Toolet. I'm your host, the Toolet Guy, and today we're going to be trying to keep your little ones out of trouble in the kitchen. In order to do that, we're going to be childproofing one of these cupboard doors and drawers. Nothing Toolet. First thing I'd like to talk to you guys about today is the brand of product that I use. It's by a line called Safety First. You can get this stuff at Walmart. They have all kinds of things that you can use to childproof your home. I've been a fan of many, including the one I'm going to be using today, which is the clip for your cupboard door and drawers. The clip I'll be using today is actually rather easy to use. It's got these little screw holes here for attaching to your cupboard. When it's attached to your cupboard, it's got this little thumb imprint here that allows you to bend that arm in order to release it from the locking piece of your clip, which is attached to your countertop. That piece that I'm talking about is right here. It's the other half. What happens is when your cupboard door comes in, it passes past that clip, locking it into place, allowing your kid to not be able to get into any of your cupboards. When installing this clip, the part for your countertop, this little locking mechanism piece here is going to have to face towards the back of your counter. You'll have to screw it up on both sides, holding it in place. On the door, this clip, the hook facing up, it's attached to your cupboard door. That way, when your cupboard door closes, it will go into that clip on the inside of your counter. There's a little bit of prep work involved in this next step. You're going to have to measure this part underneath your countertop in relation to your cupboard door, because when you attach the clip here, it needs to pass under the clip to attach here. I'm at an advantage in this situation. I've previously had these clips installed for my children, so I'm going to still demonstrate how it gets screwed on here, and then give you an underside look of what it looks like while installed on the underside of the countertop. When you're ready to use your cupboard door, simply close it, allowing this clip to pass under that clip, locking it in place. Once it's locked, you'll see that your kid will not be able to pull that open no matter how much they try to pull at it. When you need to deactivate it, simply pull it out, release it a little bit, put your thumb on the arm, and you can flex it down, releasing it from the countertop, allowing you access to your cupboard. When it comes to your drawers, you might notice that unlike your cupboard, you may not have a little spot for attaching your clip to. In that case, you're going to have to turn the clip sideways and attach it on the inside of the wall and sideways against your drawer. Like this, and like this against the wall. I'll demonstrate how those are done now. To make this easier, simply remove the drawer. Taking your clip, you're going to want to put that sideways against the wall. Here's a closer look of what it looks like on the inside of the drawer on the wall. While your drawer is out, it'll be easier to install this clip when not situated inside your cupboard space. Once attached, you can then put your drawer back into the space and test it out. Here's the clip. It's going to flex past the piece on the wall here, locking that into place. When it's locked, the same idea to deactivate it, much like the cupboard. You have to press in on the side, except this time because it's on the wall, you have to come in sideways instead of from the top, releasing it, allowing you access to all your stuff. Little troubleshooting tip I'd like to show you for other places in your kitchen that may not work is this clip, when trying to close your cupboard door against the underside of your sink, it's going to hit the sink and not allow your cupboard door to close properly. I'm going to show you how I overcame that in just a moment. Now that I have the clip removed, you'll see that I can close the cupboard door completely, but instead, I've got one of these latch style safety devices, also by Safety First. What it simply is a little adhesive plastic piece peels off the backside here. You stick this against your cupboard door, and on the opposite side, the same thing will be done here. It's another adhesive peel off. You can stick that on, allowing this to clip on. There's a decoy button that your kids can push all they want, thinking they're going to get access, but there's no way they're going to get to it. They can't pull it open. The only way to get it open is to squeeze the top and bottom, releasing the clip from the latch. I've done that on my fridge door as well. It works great here. Same process. Just pushes in and clips. When you're ready to detach it, top and bottom, pinch away, removing it, giving you access to your fridge again. That wraps up today's episode on childproofing your kitchen cupboard doors and drawers. I hope I've given you a little peace of mind in keeping your child safer in the kitchen. And remember, there's nothing to it.